James Prado, Troop S3, Angel Formalejo, Troop S4, CTV MAPE Facilitator, Francis Sanda, Reynaldo Carino, Majors Coordinator, Joel Villegas, Shi Ivy Saluda, DBC DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Rog Avila Jr., Samuel Itana, Ben Masaka. Entry number 1, San Rafael National High School, San Rafael de Gaon, Camarines Sur. San Rafael Tigao, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 2, Jose C. Prebosa Senior National High School, Santo Domingo, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Blaisel Sinogba, Troop Commander, Justin J. Lopez, Troop S1, Gerald De Mesa, Troop S2, Mark Joseph Sumayaw, Troop S3, Joseph Serafica, Troop S4, Javan Clark Galliano, Troop S5, Major Leader, Mary Fran Sargento, DPC Leader, Joseph Sapanta, CTP Alpha Company Commander, Aaron Chavez, CTP Alpha Company EXO, Jones Benedicto Dugo, CTP Bravo Company Commander, Arabella Roson, CTP Bravo Company XO, Glenn Cananaman, 1st Platoon Leader Boys, Langer Soltura, 2nd Platoon Leader Boys, Justine Anan, 1st Platoon Leader Girls, Angel Kasultan, 2nd Platoon Leader Girls, CTP MAPE Facilitator, Ben Valentin Malañaon, Major Coordinator, Sandy Broquesa, DBC DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Clarissa May Dulce, Miriam Bonino, DXC Assistant Coordinator, Eric Cedron, CTP MAPE Assistant Facilitator, John Rafaelo Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 2, Jose C. Preboso Sr., National High School, Santo Domingo, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Next, CTP Bravo Company Commander, Daniela Abril Arevalo. CTP Bravo Company EXO, Nemesha Cherise Apeliedo. First Platoon Leader Girls, Kyla Nicole Artiaga. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Ashley Jane Atole. MAPE Company Commander, Daryl Garce. MAPE Company EXO, Gabriel Troy Paan. First Platoon Leader, Vince Martin De Quiros. Second Platoon Leader, Charisse Palomar. School Head Principal, Ronald Enciso. CTP MAPE Facilitator, Patrick Earl Brado. Major School Leader, Sheena Pendieta. DBCBS School Leader Coordinator, Jack Leroy Costa. Generoso Tornillo, CTP MAPE Assistant Coordinator. Entry number 3, Boa Science High School, Carretón Boa, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 3, Boa Science High School, Carretón Boa, Camarines Sur. We would like to acknowledge Madam Victoria Juana Modesta P. Toriano, Faculty President, Malawag National. Manuel D. Buere, Principal 4, CTP MAPE Commandant, Rodney Comia, CTP MAPE Assistant Commandant, John San Agustin, CTP MAPE Training Officer, Staff Sergeant Isagane Ligao, Reserve Philippine Air Force, CTP MAPE Assistant Instructor, Renante Candelario, Major Coordinator, Marie France Candelario, Major Trainer, Mark Ranantawi, PLC Coordinator, Man Director, Jennifer Mariano, PLC Trainer, Christian Alvarez. Entry number 4, San Isidro High School, San Isidro, Iguala, Camarines Sur. entry number 5.
Weight category 4, Mapi Boys and Girls Combined, Company Minors.
Pinaglabanan National High School, Pinaglabanan Goa, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Warren Godoy. Troop Commander, Kylie Briones, Troop S1. Jerry Daria, Troop S2. Reggie Akayan, Troop S3. Neil Lemuel Vale, Troop S4. Carlos Joker Buban, CTV Bravo Company Commander. Sheila Lozada, CTV Bravo Company EXO. Kyla Reyes, First Platoon Leader Girls. Jessa De Los Santos, Second Platoon Leader Girls. Roylene Danao, MAPE Company Commander. Owen Zambillete, MAPE Company XO. Joey Pagal, First Platoon Leader. Jeru Relioso, Second Platoon Leader. Joy Binalingbing, School Head Principal. Rosemary Melania, CTV MAPE Facilitator. Mary Grace Borromeo, Major School Leader. Rosella Casa, ELC Coordinator, Band Director. RJ Kobe, Nino Michael Padayaw, Assistant CTV MAPE Facilitator. Ronnie Lidera, Assistant DLC Facilitator. Melori Claveria, Assistant Major Trader. Entry number 5, Pinaglabanan National High School, Pinaglabanan Goa, Camarines Sur. Entry number 5, Pinaglabanan National High School, Pinaglabanan Goa, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 6, Category 3, Calabanga National Science High School, Santa Cruz, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Margaret Bronzal, Troop Commander. Oliver Gamora, Troop S1. JV David, Troop S2. Princess May Ferolino, Troop S3. Giancarlo Capua, Troop S4. KC Villamater, Troop S5. Majorette Leader, Sir. DBC Leader, Ernest Isaac Buena. City Nunez. Second Platoon Leader, Boys, Mark Porto. CTV Bravo Company Commander, Charmy Van Ricia Pedreso. CTV Bravo Company XO, Vida Eterna Matos. First Platoon Leader, Girls, Nina Palayar. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Robin Florendo. Ape. DBC DLC Coordinator, Band Director, Jordan Hernandez. Regina Pratcher, Parte, Mapan Department Head, National High School or Calabanga National Science High School, Santa Cruz, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 6, Calabanga National Science High School, Santa Cruz, Calabanga, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 7.
With category 4, MAPE unit, company minus, combined. Boys and girls.
San Ramon Pilot National High School, San Ramon, Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Ketch Drexler Delvino. Troop Commander Kent Belsa. Second Platoon Leader Boys, Fran John Franco. CTP Bravo Company Commander, James Belza. CTP Bravo Company EXO, Chanel Patriarca. First Platoon Leader Girls, Princess Saboko. Second Platoon Leader Girls, Kisha Ann Viray. Jenny S. Benitez. MAPE Company Commander, MAPE Company EXO, Lisa Belvilona. First Platoon Leader, Marian Gacer. Second Platoon Leader, Janine Delfino. Jamie or Jaime Picasso Jr. Principal 2. Maria Espeto. DPCDLC Coordinator, Band Director, Joel Purisima. Maria Niasa Clasio, Assistant Veterans Coordinator. Anthony Linzo, Assistant CTP Facilitator. Entry number 7, San Ramon Pilot National High School, San Ramon, Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 7, San Ramon Pilot National High School, San Ramon, Lagunoy, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 8, Malawag National High School, Malawag Nabua, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Marla Paser, Troop Commander, Joseph Preboneria, Troop S1, Jariam Longares, Troop S2, Randy Silvano, Troop S3, Jeff Ryan Bagaspas, Troop S4, KC Ravago, Troop S5, Majorette Leader, Reese and Daisy Brandon, Josie Fortuno, Majorette Coordinator, Aisa Tangkalan, Majorette Trainer, Mary Joy Bagasala, Donna Pedacilio, DBC DLC Coordinator, Romeo Benjo Albesa, DBC DLC Assistant Coordinator, Jessa Joy Mora Dapelas, Jimson Burse. Entry number 8, Malawag National High School, Malawag, Nabua, Camarines Sur.
Weight category 4, MAPE Boys and Girls 5.
Thank you very much. Entry number 8, Malawag National High School, Malawag, Nabua, Camarines Sur. Next entry number 9, Category 3 only, Milaor National High School, CTP Unit, San Jose, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Prince Cedric Pangan, Troop Commander, Brailin Pay Forteria, Troop S1, Maria Cristel Valdisno, Troop S2, Carl Roland Vidal, Troop S3, Carl Maru Lumeda, Troop S4, Manuela Josefa Sani, Troop S5, Major Leader, Andrea T. Avenido, DBC Leader, Kenji Formanes, CTP Alpha Company Commander, Sean Kenneth Perez, CTP Alpha Company EXO, Nicolas Canaval, First Platoon Leader Boys, Rick Mark Florendo, Second Platoon Leader Boys, Alexander Paul Apor, CTP Alpha Company Commander, Aaron Carreras, CTP Alpha Company EXO, Eleanor Valu, Platoon Leader Girls, Isabel Sumaya, Second Platoon Leader Girls, Angelica Loma, School Principal, Joseph Sansaba, Assistant School Principal, Maria Cecilia Nicola Sora, CTP Coordinator, Jerica Pase, Majors Coordinator, Winnie Rosero, DLC Coordinator, and Assistant Coordinator, Ryan Cabase. Entry number 9, Milaor, National High School, San Jose, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Thank you very much. Entry number 9, Milaor National High School, San Jose, Milaor, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 10, Category 3 only, Hana 1, National High School, Hana 1, Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Troop Commander and Staff, Alden May Lontayaw, Troop Commander. Eileen Nonato, Troop S1. Kisha Joy Luzada, Troop S2. Ariana Pacerdo, Troop S3. Grace Nicole Taduran, Troop S4. Roxanne Privaldos, Troop S5. Major and Leader, Althea Moralio. DVC Leader, Raymond Ciso. CTP Alpha Company Commander, Cedric Moralio. CTP Alpha Company EXO, Paolo Basildo. First Platoon Leader, Boys, Rodolfo Agravante III. Second Platoon Leader, Boys, Joel Donato II. CTP Bravo Company Commander, Janet Boho. CTP Bravo Company EXO, Arlene Tiny Nakpano. First Platoon Leader, Girls, Jacqueline Tago. Second Platoon Leader, Girls, Princess Lorraine Taduran. Mape Company Schoolhead, Principal Noemi Calliope. CTP Mape Facilitator, Madeline Lontaya. Major and Coordinator, TVC Coordinator and Director, Christian Cabotero. Alvin Benay, CTP Trainer. Entry number 10, Hana 1, National High School, Hana 1, Ocampo, Camarines Sur.
Thank you. Entry number 10, Hanawan National High School, Hanawan, Ocampo, Camarines Sur. Next entry, entry number 11, Lagunoy High School in